Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're just going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the NR-510 or 520F registers. So word of warning up front, if you're performing a factory reset you will lose all sales and programming data on the register. The machine will be wiped back to year zero, so you should only perform this as a last resort, or if you've been advised to by an authorised Sam4S dealer. So the process is relatively straightforward. The first thing to do is to turn the key to off. You will need the metal key marked C, so you will need to go to the service position at some point, but presuming you've got that in the mode lock, turn it to off, turn the machine off at the side, and then press and hold down the check button here, turn the key round to the service position, turn the machine back on at the mains power, and then release the check button. You should get a message come up saying RAM all clear, and then you need to press the top left, top right, bottom right buttons in sequence. Top left, top right, bottom right. You get a message saying RAM all clear, good. You then get the option to load the default memory allocation or to set your own. For the purposes of this video I'm just going to set the default memory allocation. However, if you're setting this machine up maybe with table tracking or lots of cashiers, or maybe to work with a barcode scanner, then you would go into the memory allocation setup, but I'll have another video showing you how to edit the memory to increase either the number of scanning lines or the number of tracking files. But for the purposes of this video we're just wiping it back to factory default, so we're going to say yes, we're going to load the default setup. If you're planning on reprogramming the machine maybe via an SD card, so you've got a copy of the program and you're looking to send that to the till now, then you do need to double check your memory allocation, because the SD card programming will only work from one till to another if both tills have the same memory allocation, so please be aware of that. Okay, that's how to perform the memory reset, or the master reset, factory reset. So the till's totally back to factory default now, so no programming, no sales data. That is the process complete. I've got plenty of videos showing you how to get the best out of the NR-510F and 520F registers, so you're welcome to check those out. Some of those will be appearing on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.